So, in today current electricity class, I will discuss another level of problems. Okay, beta. So, what type of problems I will discuss? So, I will discuss with you another level of problems like if I have this type of circuit, there is one resistance and here is one another resistance and there is another resistance and here is one another resistance, here is another resistance and here is one another resistance. Okay beta, and this is point B, this is point A. Okay beta, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm and this is 4 ohm, this is 3 ohm, this is 4 ohm and this is 3 ohm. Okay beta, so what is the question? Question is calculate R equivalent about AB. Okay beta, so किस तरीके से, so how to calculate R equivalent about AB. Okay beta, so first of all assume this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4, this is R5 and this is R6. Okay beta, so in this circuit I think R2 and R3 in series. Okay beta, so in series we are assuming RA equal to R2 plus R3. Okay beta, so it will be 6 ohm. Okay, so I am just rubbing this one. Okay, I am just rubbing this one, or this one. Okay beta, and I am putting here one another resistance like this one, this is 6 ohm, that is called RA. Okay beta, and next RA and R4, in parallel, then RV, I am assuming equivalent of RA and R4 parallel connection, I am assuming that is RB, that is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6, that is 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2. Okay beta, so RV here will be 2 ohm, this will be RB. Okay beta, so I am rubbing this one, I am rubbing this portion, and this portion, here is that is 2 ohm, or I am calling it RB. Okay beta, and next thing RB and R6, because which current will come here and after that it will go like this. Okay, so here RV and here RV and R6 are in series. Okay beta, so here RV and R6 in series, so I am equivalent of these two, I am just calling is RC, that is 2 plus 4, that is 6 ohm. Okay beta, so I am rubbing this one, this portion, I am just add here, I am going to just add here this one, and that is 6 ohm, or I am calling it RC. Okay beta, so after that RC and R5 in parallel connection. Okay beta, so RC and R5 in parallel connection. Okay beta, so equivalent of these two I am just calling is RD. So 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6, so it will become like 1 upon 2. So RD is equal to 2 ohm. Okay beta, so if RD is equal to 2 ohm, so here I will rub this one, I will rub this portion, I will rub this portion, this portion. Okay beta, so I am just adding here RD, that is RD, and that is 2 ohm. Okay beta, so here RD, so here R1 and RD in series, okay beta, so here RAB equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4 ohm. So this way we can calculate equivalent resistance about point A and B. Okay beta, so let's discuss another level of question. So I am rubbing this one. Okay beta, so let's discuss another level of problem. I am rubbing this one. I am rubbing this portion. I am writing next question. Next question is this one. Next level of question is this. There is resistance, and here one another resistance, and here one another resistor like this. Okay beta, and here I am putting one another resistor like this. Okay, and connection like this. There is another resistor, and here is another resistance like this, and connected like this. Okay beta, and here one another resistor, and this is point A and this is point B. Okay beta, this is 2 ohm, this is 6 ohm, this is 10 ohm, this is 6 ohm, and this is 12 ohm, and this is 6 ohm. Okay, the question is calculate R equivalent about AB. Okay beta, so calculate R equivalent about AB. So beta, how to calculate this type of question? So how to calculate this type of question? Okay beta, so write down this is, assume like this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4, this is R5, this is R6. What is this resistance? This resistance is 7 ohm. Okay beta, this resistance is 7 ohm. Okay, so here this is R6, this is R7. Okay beta, so here how to solve this type of question? So first of all, solve R1 and R2 in this question, because current will come here. Okay, the current will divide, so these resistors are in parallel connection. Okay beta, so here R1 and R2 in parallel connection, so R equivalent ko I am just assuming RA, so 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 6, 3 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 4, so RA equal to 4 ohm, this one. Okay beta, so I am just rubbing this portion. I'm just rubbing this portion and connected like this. I'm just rubbing this portion and connected like this and this. Okay beta, and connected like this. Okay, this is the RA, that is called 4 ohm. Okay, so here R3 and RA in series connection. So next R3 and RA in series. So R, I am just assuming R current is equal to RB 6 plus 4, that is 10 ohm. Okay beta, so I am rubbing this portion, I am rubbing this portion, I am rubbing this portion and connect here RB and connect here RB like this, that is 10 ohm, that is RB. Okay beta, so here RB and R4, so here RB and R4 in parallel. Okay beta, for R equivalent of RB and RA, so RB and R4 I am just assuming RC, so 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 5, so RC is equal to 5 ohm. Okay beta, so I am rubbing this portion, I am rubbing this portion. Okay, so I am rubbing this portion, and just right here and just right here this, that is 5 ohm RC. Okay beta, so here RC and R6 in series connection, because which current will come here after cross this 7 ohm, it will go in 5 ohm. Okay, so here RC and R6 in series, so I am just assuming for these equivalent is RD, 5 plus 7 equal to 12 ohm, so RD equal to 12 ohm. Okay beta, so I am just rubbing this portion, I am just rubbing this portion, this is this portion I am rubbing. So here I am connecting directly 12 ohm, that is RD. Okay beta, so here RD and here, so right here RD and R5 in parallel. Okay beta, so here I am assuming R equivalent as RE 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 6. Okay, 1 upon 6, so this is 12, this is 3, that is 1 upon 4, so RE equal to 4 ohm. Okay beta, so I am rubbing this portion, this portion. Okay beta, so here I am just connecting like this, this is 4 ohm, that is RE. Okay beta, so what that is here R7 and RE, that is RE. Okay beta, so here R7 and RE in series connection, so here RE and R7 in series connection. Okay beta, so here RAB equal to 4 plus 2 equal to 6 ohm. Okay beta, so this way we can calculate this type of circuit or equivalent resistance of this type of circuits. Okay beta, so this way we can calculate. Okay, so let's discuss another question. Okay beta, Let's discuss another question. Question is question is question is question is another good question. Okay beta, I will take another good question. So here question is here question is here question is like this. There is a register, there is another register, and here is one register, and here is another register, and connected like this. Okay, and here is one register, and here one register like this, and connected one register like this, and connected directly like this. Okay beta, after that one register is here and this portion, and one register like this way. Okay beta, this point is B and this point is A. Okay beta, this is 2 ohm, this is 3 ohm, and this is 4 ohm, this is 3 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, and this is 4 ohm. Okay beta, so calculate equivalent resistance about AB. Okay beta, so how to calculate equivalent resistance about AB? Okay, how to calculate so here one good thing to understand. What type of thing? If current will like this, so here the portion of this one and portion of this one connecting like simply a wire, so this portion is under short circuiting, okay. So no meaning of these resistors. Okay, they will work simple wire. Okay beta, so what will be the circuit after that short circuiting? So I will remove all these resistors, okay beta, so I will remove all these resistors. So simply I will connect like this. Okay beta, so I am rubbing this one also, okay beta, I am rubbing this one also. So here simply the circuit, so this one and this one in series, so that is 6 ohm. Okay, so I am simply rubbing this one and simply connected like this one, that is 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm in parallel connection. Okay beta, so write this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, and this is R4. Okay, so here R3 and R4 in parallel. Okay beta, So write, I am just assuming R equivalent of these R3 and R4, 6 plus 1 upon 3, that is 3 upon 6 equal to 1 upon 2. So Ra equal to 2 ohm. Okay beta. So I am rubbing this one. And simply connected like this. That is 2 ohm. Okay beta. We are calling it Ra. Okay. So simply we are seeing that Ra, R2 and R1 in series connection. Okay. So simply R1, R2 and Ra in series. Okay. So here Rab equal to 2 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. So simply Rab equal to 7 ohm. Okay beta. So this way we can calculate this type of question. Okay. So I have discussed different type of circuit. Okay. In next class I will discuss how to calculate the current in particular resistors. Okay beta. So thank you for today. Thank you.